Hey guys, welcome to my channel that's all about green beauty. My name is Faith and today I'm going to talk about Petit Vour March box. So that was last month. I signed up a little bit late and I'm finally at a place where I feel comfortable actually talking about the products since I've used them for a little bit. So yeah, let's get into it. But first, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the Green Apple Cleansing Bar by Juice Beauty. I use it almost to scrub my skin just a little bit. It's almost like a gentle scrubbing bar. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's just a little bar. And it doesn't have too much of a scent. And that's great because I don't really like citrusy scents, so the fact that this does have some citrusy notes in it is not something that I would normally gravitate towards, but since it's not too strong and overpowering, I don't mind it at all. I actually am probably going to use this a lot. I've already used it a lot. So anyways, let me talk about what the product is about. So it claims to refine and revitalize. It contains organic sunflower seed oil and botanical juices. The brand is cruelty-free and mostly vegan. And they're very transparent about which products are not vegan. There's only like maybe 5 or 6 products by them that aren't, but the rest of them are. So that's awesome. And this even says that it's formulated with organic ingredients. I think that it does what it says. I really do think that it refines and revitalizes my skin. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the next product. So the next one is this here, the Citrus Sunflower Gel by Andalou Naturals. I got kind of a lot of this. Oh, I'll spell it out a little bit. This is a pretty big sample, I think. I'm probably gonna give it to a friend or maybe my mom or something because I don't really like the scent of it, but the shower gel itself, it was really good. It had nothing too special about it that stood out for me, but the scent of it is very citrusy, so that's probably why I would give it to somebody else, because I don't like citrusy scents. I think it's kind of weird. But yeah, besides that, the body wash was great. So it says that it's gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO, and 99% natural. Cool. Yeah, I just don't really like citrusy scents. I prefer like warmer or more floral scents or more spa-like scents. So the next product is by Little Barn Apothecary, and it's called the Honeysuckle and Grapefruit Body Oil. So that's this product right here. They have certified organic ingredients, however their products themselves are not certified organic. Okay, they said that they plan on becoming certified organic soon, so that's awesome. They're 100% cruelty-free and certified by PETA through Beauty Without Bunnies. It's made of organic sesame oil, organic avocado, Italian honeysuckle. They're all natural, no synthetic preservatives. All their packaging is made in the USA. All of their suppliers are American companies. And then their products are actually made by hand in small batches, and they're a little studio outside of Atlanta, Georgia. So that's cute. I think that makes me like this product more, just knowing that actually. So that makes me love this oil a lot more. I would probably find a different oil because I didn't love this one too much. It does make my skin super soft and everything, but something about it I just don't love. I found a different oil that I'm comparing it to probably that is making me not love it as much. Maybe that's why. When you find a really good product and then the bar is set really high, you know? So I'll show you guys here. That's the oil. And then I'll rub it out some more. It smells delicious, but I don't think this is something that I would personally buy myself. I feel like I just have pretty dehydrated skin. The product doesn't do enough for me to feel like it's amazing. Okay, so the next product is oil cleanser by Kahina Giving Beauty. It claims to dissolve makeup and gently wash away dirt and impurities, leaving skin clean and soft without residue. This brand is completely cruelty-free, and I thought at first, okay, I don't really want to put this on my skin because I have kind of oily skin. I don't really want to make my acne-prone oily skin any worse. But then I remembered, oh, duh, Faith, you remove your makeup with coconut oil, so you might as well just try this product. So I did, and I think that it does everything that it says. It claims to be residue free, like it doesn't leave any residue on your skin. The thing with using coconut oil as a makeup remover, it still leaves a lot of the oil on my skin, whereas this doesn't. Okay, so the next product is Bronzing Potion by K Voss. Now, I was so excited when I got this subscription box in the mail because I saw this product, and I am more into makeup right now than like, you know, skincare right now. So, okay, this is what it looks like. So I think this is really gorgeous, but it's just a little bit too light for me. Even if it were a little bit darker, I could be okay with it. But this is more like a little bit of a highlighter for me versus a bronzer. And I think that it's not a good enough highlighter by itself. It's not supposed to be a highlighter, so I think if you're much lighter, then this would look beautiful. But as a highlighter, I think that it could look very, very pretty underneath a, what is it called? A powdered highlighter, which I think is a really good combination for a highlighter anyways, to put a cream highlighter on first and then the powder highlighter on top. I wore it the other day by itself without a powdered highlighter on top, and I wasn't really happy with it. But again, it's a bronzer, it's not supposed to be a highlighter. So I'm gonna do as best as I can with this product. I'll see, maybe if my mom is lighter than me, so maybe she'll like it, I don't know. I don't know if I mentioned that K Voss is 100% cruelty free and non-toxic, but it is. So, okay guys, that was it for the Petit Vour March box. I hope that you guys got to know a little bit more about Petit Vour, and if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more on green beauty in general, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be covering more green beauty products and stuff of that sort. And then you can find me on Instagram at FAITHVDEAN, and yeah, I think that's it. I think that's everything. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.